What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and this video comes from Ragomonkey. Links will be in the description for the full entire video that he has on his channel. But I have some serious issues about the person that was in charge of this panel and one of the people that are on the panel that decide to flick Ragomonkey off. But let's get into this video. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, and go over to Ragomonkey, let him know I sent you. All the links will be in the description below.
Thank you, everyone, and good evening once again. My name is L'Oreal Arscott, and I have the pleasure of serving as your chair, appointed from District 1 with the interim, or by the interim chair, Mr. Oliver Gilbert. We'll go ahead and move into a reasonable opportunity for the public to be heard.
Okay, how you guys doing? I just want to thank you guys for wasting our money and wasting our time.
Please state your name and your address before
My name is Rafael Antonio Gomez, Miami, Florida. Like I said, I want to thank you guys for wasting our time and money. You just stuck the middle finger at me, sir. You think I didn't see that? I saw that. Miami, Florida. Like I said, I want to thank you guys for wasting our time and money. You just stuck the middle finger at me, sir. You think I didn't see that? Saw that. Saw that. Saw that. Saw that. Saw that. Miami, Florida. Like I said, I want to thank you guys for wasting our time and money.
And just to clarify for the record, I did not see Mr. Vera doing any inappropriate gestures.
Like I said, I want to thank you guys for... I'm sure you guys are going to hear a lot of complaints tonight. I don't even think we have a quorum tonight. It's pretty disrespectful how you guys show up 10 minutes late like it's nothing. Okay, no respect for the public. Like I said, I want to thank you guys for...
And just to clarify for the record, I did not see Mr. Vera doing any inappropriate gestures.
young man, I don't appreciate what you did, and I don't appreciate your ignorance on what we are doing up here. We are volunteers. We don't get paid. We're trying to do what's right, and the time will come. So please, when you get up here, don't show your ignorance so much, and don't insult me. Don't ever do that again.
And there's an issue. Once it takes about 6 months for your complaint to be completed, and once it's completed, the department charges you a hefty fee to get that IA report. So a lot of people never find out what the determination of the complaint was. Maybe the panel could address that somehow. And basically, that's my main issue is there's no way to really address your complaint. You file a complaint and you don't get a confirmation number. You feel that nothing is being done. You feel that the department doesn't take your complaint seriously, and hopefully this board can do something about it. Like the lady said here, I'm not entirely sure the powers, the authority, but I hope you guys could do something, and I'll be here coming all the time. And I also want to get the email for the ICP so I could send you guys the complaints, because I've been compiling complaints for years, three and a half years, compiling complaints against Miami-Dade Police Department. Hopefully we could get this panel going a lot quicker. I'm a little disappointed on the speed of the panel. Thank you guys.
I was with you until the last comment. Okay.
Work is too hard.
Suck it up, Buttercup.
I want to go home.
What a crybaby.